in a skillet, I have 105 grams of raw shredded cabbage. And I'm going to saute this up. I have a little bit of cooking spray in the pan. And I'm going to cook this up so it's cooked down enough, wilted, and maybe just a little bit of caramelization. And then we're going to start to cook our ground turkey and start to make the inside out egg roll. So excited, guys. So excited. All right, so in the skillet now, I have taken out the cabbage and I'm gonna let it rest in my bowl. And I sprayed the pan again, and now I'm gonna be putting in this 99% fat-free ground turkey. And the reason I spray the pan is because this is so lean that it really doesn't give a lot of fat off, so I like to spray it. So anyway, I'm gonna cook this down and we'll be right back. So to season this up, I'm going to be using the original blend of Mrs. Dash. And I'm going to just sprinkle some in. That's it. And we're going to keep cooking this down. And we'll be back. So excited. So hungry. Just came back from hiking, so I'm extra hungry today. So, alright, we'll be back. So now the ground turkey is all done. And I already have my little food scale here set up with my bowl of cabbage. And I'm going to take some of this turkey meat and I'm going to weigh it out on my scale so that I have a full 7 ounces. So let me zero out my scale. Whoop, where am I? I'm on grams, so I want to get to ounces. Hold on. There we go. We're on ounces. So pretty much this is all I'm going to do. I'm going to take this ground turkey. I'm going to add it to the bowl. That's only 2 ounces, guys. So let me keep adding. We have 7 ounces going in here, guys. It is so lean that the program allows you to have a nice big amount. This is considered a leaner. There we go. 7 ounces. Okay. Now I'm going to take the rest of this turkey, put it in another bowl just to store in the fridge, and I'll be back and show you how we put this together. Alright, so we're going to add the 7 ounces of turkey and the cabbage back into the pan. Now I have my measuring spoon for 1 tablespoon, and I have the low sodium soy sauce that I got at Walmart. And I am going to put 2 tablespoons of this into my mixture. And then I am going to stir it up. Just like that. We're just going to cook this down for a couple, like, I don't know, maybe a minute or so. And the reason that I love the soy sauce is because it reminds me of Chinese food and what I would normally put on an egg roll. Look at the amount of food this is. This is crazy. This is how I'm losing weight, guys. This is how I'm losing weight. So I'm going to take the inside out egg roll out of the pan, put it in a bowl, and show you what I'm going to eat for dinner. Oh, so hungry. So I'm about to eat, and here is the size of the bowl. Huge. And look at all this food. So you pretty much just sauteed up some cabbage, put your ground turkey in there with a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of Mrs. Dash, and no lie, it tastes like the inside of an egg roll. So I'm gonna go enjoy this lean and green. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, share the video, and I'm gonna go eat. I hope you all have a great day. Stay focused. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Oh my God, so good. Bye, guys.